Hello, today our group B, the member has me, kittipong, makhaporn, and
I
then
am Tanawat khamkwan.
next.
Tanawat UNSIWILAI.
Today we are going to talk present about how to operate industrial robot ABB IRB 120. Next slide. So we're gonna talk about the component, the controller, and the teach pendant. They're gonna be IRB 120, IRC5 with that pendant, and the computer with the robot studio. Next. So this pendant is the the controller, the automatical mode and the manual mode. There are two modes: the automatic one and the manual one. They're gonna be emergency stop if they get anything like in trouble, or they're gonna be like worse. And then the left hand side is power input, 2 or 3 electrical interface depend on the robot type, and they're gonna be power line to plug it in. Next. Now we go into the teach pendant. The teach pendant is the almost popular device for programming in the robot because it can insert the command easier, and that form is easy to use and doesn't need a lot of mathematics. And now we have the status bar. We got all the stuff like hot edit, input and output, join, production window, program editor, program data. So now we're gonna use join because it's a manual join. And then there's going to be a e-stop. It's the red button there. It's like a joystick, like joystick key, programming, execution key, and then quick set menu. Next, all simple stuff. And then how to operate the robot is that an enabling device. If you press hard, the button is going to cut it off. So next. So the ABB IRB 120 is had 6 axes, and then they all have like waist, elbow, hand, and then the base. So they're gonna be X, Y, Z in the controller. And then if you want to change to the 5 or 4 or 6 axis, press this button, and then expression result is going to input there. Next. So if you want to command the robot to move left, let's click program edit and this button for run continue. Next. So add an interaction for add a new direction. Move J button is moved in the curve, and move the L button is moved to align a line. So click move J for this example. We will show you about the execute for the move J. Click the production window button on the photo. Switch to the automatic mode on the left hand side, and then the expression result is going to move downward and move up again. Next. So here more detail of the robot movementation. So you have like 360. It can move around in the area that have put it in the program. And extremely control. Here's the loader. It's the external controller data from which version system and the manipulator controller. And it's moved to the data from wait. So the external controller moves to the router, and it's data from external controller, and the manual regulator controller move back data external controller move backward, and then the result is go to the other system like data from external, and then we put the data to external controller to the router, and it's how to say it, it's going to circle like this when until the input is being have as success. So I'm going to pass the move to the other people.
All right. Next slide, please. Next, we will talk about KR203 comp. It is extremely fast and with a unique combination of payload and reaches. This attribute make KUKA comp series robots the obvious choice for a wide range of applications, such as handling or spot welding. Next, please. This is a technical detail of KR203 comp. If you want to see a more detail, you can see in our PowerPoint. Next. This kind of robot is extremely compact. This is easy with the comp series. The combination of compact design, short link length, and high install motor power give this robot a very high dynamic performance and thus significantly greater production capability. The advantages of this robot is short cycle times and greater productivity. Extremely reliable. Utmost precision give optimal production results. The close swing arm, short arm, and strong wrist of the comp robots ensure high stiffness, even in the case of application with high process forces. Furthermore, the performance optimized pad planning ensures maximum accuracy. The advantages of this is optimum process results and fewer rejects. Next, please. They are extremely streamlined. The robots in the comp series are ideally suited to space-saving and cost-saving system concepts, as they adapt perfectly to their surroundings. Even when things get tight, the streamlined design with minimized disruption controls and removable forklift slots ensures very good reachability of the workpieces, even in narrow cells or confined spaces. The advantages is reduced space requirements and improve accessibility. They are extremely simple. The simpler your robot is to program, the quicker you can get going. KUKA supports you with a wide range of products and services, from expandable system software and ready-made application software to stimulate programs for designing systems. Programming is best easy with the familiar Windows look, intuitive user interface, and clear visualizations. The advantages is maximum ease of operation and rapid commissioning.
Okay,
All right.
my turn is design automation system. I'll show you solution. Have you ever seen this problem in the most problem in the supermarket? I have seen and I realize this problem have to solve it because of I borrow it and why we have to waste a big time in the supermarket, why we have to moody and borrow it every time when being at a supermarket. This problem is too slow, it's too many employers, is to waste of plastic and to waste your time. This is the flow chart how to solve the problem. None. First, we have to non-cashier, cancel this cashier, and next, enter Y digital turnstile barrier because of we have to scan barcode before I walk into the supermarket, and then how to pay scan product barcode. We have to scan at the side and behind of product and some product, and then when you finish the shopping you have to check out. And how to check out? First, you have to scan QR code at exit for check you do not steal, and then leave finish, have no waste of time. And application of this problem, this how to solve problem. Replace the cashier with a turnstile at the supermarket because of for reduce the employers and reduce time when you pay a lot of money. This is a reduce of time. You have not to waste your time. And how to do like this? We have to download the mobile application because of everybody in the world. I think that everybody have a mobile phone for use at the supermarket for scan barcode to pay, and mobile can make it easy. And QR code made it easy. Functions of QR code that made for check number of product that you pay and make sure that correctly price, and easy way to check that not steal. Because of if you wondering, everybody have to check it out for sure. And then install many QR code scan to exist at the exit of supermarket for made easy to check it out and have not waste time. Until now, you might be wondering how to anti or protect steal from thief. How to protect steal and anti-steal. If you walk toward turnstile system, that sensor will check that product have already payment and make sure do you not steal, like a system at the metro or some subway, some train station. And reference, I have ever seen the Amazon Fresh from Amazon Fresh, but in the used to digital shopping cart for if you don't waste your time and with Amazon account. And to be honest, people in the United States have much responsibility. Therefore, they have no barrier like I'll show you previously to check it doesn't steal a product. I realize that's hard for using in our country. Therefore, I additional functions to protect steal. There's a lot of QR code and sensor barrier from previous slide. I'll show you again. And thanks for listening. If can possible, we will change our country and make it better and make it easy. That's the automation design for solve the problem from our group. Thank you, man.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.